Hi everybody, this is going to be a really quick video. It's just basically a mnemonic device that's helpful for remembering the proper way to work the quotient rule for the derivative. With the product rule you're adding, so it doesn't matter if you have the order right, but in the quotient rule you're subtracting in the numerator, and so the order really does matter. So here's the mnemonic that I learned in high school 1,000 years ago, and it still sticks with me today. So what we do first is we call the numerator function, we call that high function. I know high is spelled differently, but this is easier. And then the lower function, instead of calling it low, we call it ho. That just makes the mnemonic more fun. You could use low, but it's just not nearly as good, as you'll see in a minute. We're going to use d, meaning derivative. Technically the notation should be d dx, but for mnemonic sake, we're going to use d, which is sometimes used as a shorthand for derivative anyway. So here's how the quotient rule works then, using high and ho as your upper and lower functions. You're going to take ho times the derivative of high, and then high times the derivative of ho, all over ho times ho, or ho squared. But to read this right and to remember it, you're going to have ho-de high minus high-de ho over ho-ho. You have to say that right. It's the ho-ho part that makes it the most fun. But notice, first of all, if one way I remember is it's ho-de high minus high-de ho-ho-ho. So the mnemonic device is always going to end with Santa Claus. More current mnemonic or way to remember this is if you circle all the hose, it looks like a boat. It looks like a boat of hose, which is from a popular film from a few years ago. So, however you remember it, I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.